Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Rebelle. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: diamond black crystal pearl coat, diamond black crystal pearl coat, monotone paint, spray and bud liner, bed utility group included, 4 adjustable cargo tie-down hooks, pickup box sliding deployable bed step, Ram box cargo management system, black appearance package included, black front bumper with black plate, black exterior truck badging, black outline mustache grille texture, 3 monotone paint instrument cluster theme, 5 Rebel 2 wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches gloss black headlamp bezels, body color, door handles, Ram grille badge, black, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer and gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.